Hi everyone who's watching this video, especially I want to thank my subscribers. Thank you for your support, I really appreciate it. This time it's a Rio Toro CR280, a mini ITX PC case. I would say it's a medium footprint PC case. You can easily do cable management and change parts without disassembling a whole rig. On the front panel you may see holes for air intake, also power and reset buttons, two USB 3.0 ports, hard disk drive activity light and mic and headphones jacks. As always on those cheap PC cases, side window is made from acrylic. Window is not big, so if you don't like to make cable management, you can hide your mess on sides. On top is place for two outtake fans, on bottom filtered hole for power supply air intake. In earlier revisions there was a bracket for HDD, unfortunately they removed that option. On the back of the case there is place for one air outtake fan. Side panels can be unmounted with just one thumb screw. Side sheets are made from thin and flimsy metal. In the box you can find all the screws that you will need for your initial build. Those are for motherboard and GPU mounting. SSD mounting screws, anti-vibration rubber pads and screws for fan mounting. Very nice flat USB 3.0 cable. Usually USB 3.0 cables are blue and bulky, so this is a big plus for this case. This is front audio cable and those are for power reset and activity light. All ventilation holes are filtered. For initial build there is pre-installed two 3-pin fans. It doesn't feel like those buttons gonna last for long, but we'll see. In the end of the video I will change those fans with RGB ones, so stay tuned. rubber pads for hard disk drives, as solid state does not need that, but hey, it's still cool. Okay, let's fast forward and see how it looks assembled. In the end of the video I will change boxed cooler to the GameX Tower cooler. Also, there is place for big HDD. I found this GPU power cord a bit too thick and decided to change PSU, as they didn't have thinner replacement cable. That's how it looks with boxed cooler. There's enough room for cable management on the back. Hole for CPU cooler mounting is misplaced, so you cannot change CPU cooler without dismounting motherboard. M.2 SSD is blocked as well, so this is a big minus for this case. And this is how it looks with RGB coolers. For ending, I would say that this is not bad PC case, not too expensive and not too big. I would give here 6 points out of 10, mostly it's because of cooler mounting hole misplacements and too thin side panel. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit subscribe button. Cheers!